Hey everybody, welcome back for another Unbox and Swatch video. Today we've got a fun one. This is the Dawn and Dusk set by LUKAS. This is the Aquarell 1862 Professional Watercolors. It's a set of 24 and they are, I guess, designed to capture that magic golden hour light that we know and love from that dusk and dawn time of the day. So let's take a look at the box outside. We've got some art on the cover. We've got some copy on the back talking about Dr. Schoenfeld, who was the creator of the paint, and talks about its transparency, brilliance, light, fastness, all that good stuff. So let's open it up. It is heavy, so I'm thinking this might be in some kind of metal. This is also a limited edition set, so I guess we should take advantage of that if we like it. Yeah, okay, cool. So, move that to the side. It looks like we've got our regular LUKAS watercolor tin. This is one of my favorite watercolor tins. I think that they're really nicely done. You can see here that they've got lots of mixing space. I'm pretty sure this will be on a, this will be on a metal tray itself that will fit in here. And then you're going to have 4 large mixing wells, your mixing area down here, and even if you want, you can mix on the back of this if you run out of space. Also, another nice feature of these LUKAS tins is that there's usually a ring, a loop on the back that you can, either put your thumb or finger through, just to give you a little bit more stability when you are painting. So with that being said, let's set this aside for the moment. And then we have our paints, and they are on a metal tray. This feels pretty substantial. Alright, so these are 24 whole pans. So this is a lot of paint. This set should last you a very long time, and has just really nice selection of colors. But of course the test is the swatch. So I assume that this will just sit right in there. Yes, it does. And then you'll be good to go if you want to take your watercolors traveling with you, or you can even use these easily in the studio all in one. So what we're going to do right now is unwrap all these pans and start swatching. right, well there you have it, all 24 colors of the Dawn to Dusk set, and I have to say these colors are gorgeous. They picked up beautifully. These are extremely vibrant, extremely pigmented, a lot of fun to lay down. I really didn't have to do that much to lift the color. This sepia took me by surprise. I mean, I could probably extend that all day long. I mean, it is very rich. That color could probably last me a very long time, unless I wanted, of course, that intensity of a dark color. But wow, what a beautiful set. Well done. I am very impressed. So this is the LUKAS Dawn and Dusk set of 24 limited edition LUKAS Aquarell 1862 watercolors. Give them a try. They will not disappoint you. If this video has been helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified when we post future unbox and swatch videos.